This was the scene this evening as people gathered at the state capitol to remember Renee Good, the woman killed by an ICE agent this week. Good evening. We are learning more about the woman's life from the people who knew her best.
But first, that new footage from the agent's point of view.
Jeff Wagner had a chance to kick off our team coverage after speaking to some people about different angles, and it certainly is a different perspective now, Jeff.
Yeah, one that surprisingly has come out today. Not only do we see the ICE agent's perspective, but we hear Renee Good talk to him as he quietly circles the SUV. Things intensify once another agent tells Good to get out of the car. A warning, the video is disturbing.
Out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Oh!
We talked with two experts today, one who specializes in use of force, who we'll get to later. The other is defense attorney Rob Doar. He says the video both helps and hurts Homeland Security's stance that the agent fired in self-defense. First, Doar says it shows how quickly things unfolded, giving the agent little time to react in terms of how many shots he fired. But he also points out some words it appears the agent says about Good immediately after the shooting. We can't air them, but we'll show you in text on the screen.
Get out of the car. Oh!
There was a vulgar comment towards her at the end of it. And self-defense is an affirmative defense where you're saying that you're fearful for your life. Courts could interpret that, or a jury could interpret that as a mindset of trying to compel control or dominance over the situation rather than a sincere fear for his life.
The use of force expert we spoke with was more focused on a sound he heard right before shots were fired. Peter Johnson does firearms training for law enforcement. He says in the video, he hears a crunching noise as Good accelerates, which he believes is the SUV hitting the ICE agent.
That data point for me shows that there was contact made with the agent, who is now in reasonable fear, who could clearly articulate being hit with an SUV as reasonable fear of great bodily harm or death. And then the shots were fired.
Homeland Security's policy states that deadly force can be used when a vehicle is being operated in a manner that poses an imminent threat and no other objectively reasonable defense option exists, including moving out of the path of the vehicle, Frank.
A lot for people to digest for sure, Jeff. Thank you.